The president cannot be derided by the governor. The president is a member, in fact, he is the leader of our own political party. And it would be foolhardy, to be stupidity on our part to sit down to see somebody way less than Mr. President insult Mr. President under our very nose. It is also an absurd to see the governor begin to espouse impunity, intimidation on the people who are members of our political party, and we stand akimbo doing nothing. We're here to respond vehemently and stoutly to them that as chairman of APC Rivers State, as representative of Mr. President, that we won't sit down here to see the governor insult president. We won't sit here to see the governor declare on his own as if it's a law, it's a court. He has become Daniel that is sitting in judgment to declare assembly member seats vacant. To that extent, in consultation with my party, we have directed and we are directing, I want to let you hear, that we are directing the assembly members, APC members who are in the assembly, to immediately commence the impeachment of Governor Sim Fubara. He does anything he cares to do, and that is impunity. We also not sit down here on behalf of Rivers people to see Rivers State become a laughingstock in the Committee of Nations. When you have a governor who does not know his right from his left, so our charge to the assembly members is to commence immediately. And if they don't do that, there's what they call party discipline. We shall invoke that section of the Constitution and deal decisively with them.